Hi everyone, this is teacher Nev and welcome to math class. So today we're going to do the 5 times table. But before that, let's review our 2 times table. So on our previous video, we learned about 2 times table. So that was on Tuesday, and today we're going to review about our multiplication table of 2. Okay, skip counting by 2's. So 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 5 is 10, and so on. Double the number that is being multiplied by 2 by adding the number to itself. So in 2 times 5, which number is being multiplied by 2? 5. So we're going to double the number and add it to itself. So we're going to have 5 plus 5. So 2 multiplied by 5 is 10, and 5 plus 5 is 10. How about 2 multiplied by 3? Okay, so we're going to double the number 3. So we're going to have 3 plus 3. 2 multiplied by 3 is 6, and 3 plus 3 is 6. Now, let's have a short activity. So answer these questions. 2 multiplied by 6 is equals to 12 or 20. 2 multiplied by 6 is equals to, what's your answer? Is it 12 or 20? Very good. The correct answer is 12. Next question. 2 multiplied by 2 is equals to 6 or 4. So what's your answer? Okay, the correct answer is 4. Next question is 5 multiplied by 2, or we could also say 2 multiplied by 5. So they have the same answer. So is it 10 or 14? So what's your answer? 5 multiplied by 2 or 2 multiplied by 5 is 10. Next, 9 multiplied by 2 or 2 multiplied by 9 is 18 or 12. What's your answer? It's 18. Next question. 2 times 7 is 10 or 14. What's your answer? 2 multiplied by 7 is 14. Next is 2 multiplied by 10 is 10 or 20. 2 times 10 is 10 or 20. So what's your answer? It's 20. Next, 4 multiplied by 2 or 2 multiplied by 4 is 8 or 6. Is it 8 or 6? What's your answer? The correct answer is 8. Next, 2 multiplied by 0 is 0 or 2. What's your answer? Is it 0 or 2? So the correct answer is 0. So any number that you multiply by 0, the answer is 0. So even if it is 0 multiplied by 10, 20 multiplied by 0, the answer is always 0. Okay? So let's have 5 times table. So we can do skip counting by 5. So the first finger is 5, the second finger is 10, the third 15, the fourth 20, the fifth is 25, the sixth is 30, and so on. So what is 3 multiplied by 5? So we can do skip counting by 5. So the first finger is 5. The second one is 10. Or we could do the first one is 5. The second one is 5. So when we add them together, we will have 10. And the third one is 10 plus 5. You will have 15. So one finger stands for 5. Two fingers stand for 10. Three fingers stand for 10 plus 5 is equals to 15. Next, what is 6 multiplied by 5? So we have there 5. So 5 multiplied by 1 is 5. Next is 5 multiplied by 2 is 10. 5 multiplied by 3 is 15. 5 multiplied by 4 is 20. 5 multiplied by 5 is 25. And the last one is 5 multiplied by 6 is 30. So 6 multiplied by 5 is equals to 30. So let us recite our multiplication table of 5. 1 multiplied by 5 is 5. 2 multiplied by 5 is 10. 3 multiplied by 5 is 15. 4 multiplied by 5 is 20. 5 multiplied by 5 is 25. 6 multiplied by 5 is 30. 7 multiplied by 5 is 35. 8 multiplied by 5 is 40. 9 multiplied by 5 is 45. And lastly, 10 multiplied by 5 is 50. So let's try answering this multiplication table of 5. I will read and then you will say the answer. Okay? So 1 multiplied by 5 is 5. 2 multiplied by 5 is 10. 3 multiplied by 5 is 15. 4 multiplied by 5 is 20. 5 multiplied by 5 is 25. 6 multiplied by 5 is 30. 7 multiplied by 5 is 35. 8 multiplied by 5 is 40. 9 multiplied by 5 is 45. 10 multiplied by 5 is 50. Very good.